Factoring trinomials. We have the first trinomial x squared plus 5x plus 6. So what we do from the 6, we are looking for two factors so that their sum will be 5. So we can have 2 and 3, right? 2 times 3 is 6, and when you add them, it is 5. So then this one simply gives you x plus 2, x plus 3. So you are done for this problem. So we'll go to the second one. We have x squared minus 5x plus 6. So again, you can take -2, -3. When you multiply, it will give you +6. But when you add them, it is -5. So the second one now gives you x minus 2 times x minus 3. Next, we are going to third one. So in the third one, now I have -6. That's my free term, -6. So we're looking for two factors. Their sum will be +5. So you can easily say it's -1 and 6. Is that right? So -1 and 6 multiply together give -6. When you add them, that gives you 5. So then this one will be x plus 6 times x minus 1. That's simple. Next, you have x squared minus 5x minus 6. So we can make the changes here. I can put a negative here and positive here. Still, the product is -6. But when you add them together, that gives you -5. That's your middle term. So this one will give you now x minus 6 times x plus 1. Okay, so remaining 4 questions is little different. We have leading coefficient, which is not 1, like example 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this case, you multiply 2 and 3 together, you get a 6 here. 2 times 3, that gives you 6. Now you are looking for the factors so that their sum again will be 5. So for sure it could be 2, 3. I could write my answer immediately here like x plus 2 and then x plus 3. Since I have a leading coefficient which is 2 here, so that one you can adjust like divide here by 2 and multiply here by 2. So then simplified version gives you now x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. So let me show you another way also by grouping method. Since you got the factors 2 and 3, rewrite your problem. You have 2x squared. So 5x will be replaced by 2x plus 3x because of these two factors we have plus 3. Now you can go by grouping. If you factor out 2x, you get x plus 1, right? And then you factor out 3, you get x plus 1. Now this is the common one. Take it out again, and then remaining is 2x plus 3. So that matches our answer here. Okay, so this process also will work. All right, so I'm going to the next one in the same way. So I'll process it using grouping method, but if you want to use the shortcut one, perfectly okay. This one I need -5, so I'll take -2, -3 now. So you get 2x squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 3. And by grouping now, you factor out 2x, you get x minus 2, and then -1 will give, -3 will give you x minus 1. And then when you combine, you get x minus, oh, I'm sorry, I have a 2 here, right? It should be 1. So then x minus 1 and then 2x minus 3. So that's the answer. So you can write it here like x minus 1. So I had a 2 here, sorry, 1 here. and then you have x minus 1 and then 2x minus 3, right? So that one gives me my answer. Okay, I made the corrections in number 7. Otherwise, it will not be a nice factor. So now 2 times negative 3 for number 7 gives me negative 6. And I need the factors that will make it 5 when I add. So it should be 6 and negative 1. So then 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 is written as 2x squared plus 6x minus x minus 3. Now when you factor out 2x from the first two terms, you get x plus 3 minus 1 factor out, you get x plus 3. So that gives you now x plus 3 times 2x minus 1. So that we write here x plus 3 2x minus 1. Okay. Next, we are going to number 8. My question is 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 for number 8. So I'm writing this here and plus 1x here. You factor out 2x, then you get x minus 3. Factor out 1, you get x minus 3. So finally, you get x minus 3 times 2x plus 1. So we are done for all 8 questions we have in this page. Also, for simplicity, you could do this on direct because you have negative 6, positive 1. You could write here x minus 6 and then x plus 1, and the leading coefficient is 2. You can adjust, right? Divide here, multiply. So that gives you x minus 3 times 2x plus 1. That exactly we have here. And we are done. Thanks.